Let's get started with another tutorial here inside the Halftone Pro panel. And now we're going to talk about the Halftone Rosetta in manual mode. Don't worry, you won't need to do any manual processes here in Photoshop. It's just another setting right here inside the Halftone Pro panel. So by clicking on Manual, it will open this script field for us to enter the LPI frequency, which you can set to 20, 30, 40, and so on. No matter the frequency, it will work. That's the only setting you'll need to adjust in this part. I'm going to set it to 30 LPI here. Click OK. Now, it's going to ask me to set the black removal tolerance. What does this mean? The higher the tolerance I set here, the more shades of black it will remove. So if I set it to 0, it will only remove pure black. If I set it to 40 or 50, which is the maximum, it will remove black, gray tones, and almost black tones. So this is something you really need to pay attention to, because the higher the tolerance you set, the more design details it will erase. It'll also remove shadow tones and the black and gray tones within the design. So to control this properly, I recommend you always use the Enhance Black Background option. Because here, since it's a bit more aggressive, depending on the tolerance level you set, it can eat up a lot of the design's details, okay? So here, you can just leave it at the default, which is 15, the recommended tolerance. Click OK. And it will automatically generate your halftone right there in Photoshop. All done. Halftone applied. That's it. There's really no secret to it. Like I said, you don't have to create the halftone manually here in Photoshop. It's just about setting up the script prompt so it generates the LPI frequency and also the black tolerance, okay?